Introduction to AWS Amplify API category. The AWS Amplify API category provides a set of tools and services that enable developers to build scalable and secure RESTful APIs and GraphQL APIs. In this tutorial, we will cover the best practices for using the AWS Amplify API category to build robust and efficient APIs. Step 1. Plan your API. Before you start building your API, identify the requirements and the resources that will be needed. Determine the type of API you want to build, RESTful or GraphQL, and the data models that will be used. Plan your API endpoints and the authentication and authorization mechanisms that will be used to secure your API. Step 2. Choose the right API gateway. AWS provides two types of API gateways: REST API and WebSocket API. Choose the one that best fits your needs. If you need to build a real-time API, use the WebSocket API. If you need to build a RESTful API, use the REST API. Step 3. Implement authentication and authorization. Implement authentication and authorization mechanisms to secure your API. Use Amazon Cognito to manage user identities and authenticate users. Use IAM roles to authorize access to your API. Step 4. Use API keys and usage plans. Use API keys to restrict access to your API and usage plans to manage the usage of your API. This will help you to monitor and control the usage of your API and prevent abuse. Step 5. Monitor and analyze your API. Use Amazon CloudWatch and AWS X-Ray to monitor and analyze your API. This will help you to identify performance issues and optimize your API for better performance. Step 6. Implement error handling and logging. Implement error handling and logging mechanisms to handle errors and exceptions in your API. Use Amazon CloudWatch logs to log errors and exceptions, and Amazon SNS to notify developers of errors and exceptions. Best practices for AWS Amplify API category. Use a consistent naming convention for your API endpoints and resources. Use meaningful and descriptive names for your API endpoints and resources. Implement authentication and authorization mechanisms to secure your API. Use API keys and usage plans to restrict access to your API and manage the usage of your API. Monitor and analyze your API to identify performance issues and optimize your API for better performance. Implement error handling and logging mechanisms to handle errors and exceptions in your API. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the best practices for the AWS Amplify API category. We covered the steps to plan your API, choose the right API gateway, implement authentication and authorization mechanisms, and implement error handling and logging mechanisms. We also covered the best practices for the AWS Amplify API category, including using a consistent naming convention, implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms, and monitoring and analyzing your API. By following these best practices, you can build robust and efficient APIs using the AWS Amplify API category.